Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on ASUS Zenfone 10. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox. And now click search. Here you can click install. And now click open. Here you can customize some settings of your browser, or you can just scroll down and click start browsing. And now, as you can see, you can use your Firefox browser just like any other browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.